do the taste test. Cauliflower, dip it in tahini. Incredible. Hello everybody, welcome to Bites by Vita's food channel. Today we're making some cauliflower shawarma with green tahini and some cabbage and onion salad. First thing we're going to do is we're going to marinate the cauliflower. So here I've got about 350 grams of cauliflower florets, and I've got one onion cut into 6 slices, and here I have the spices. We have cumin, coriander, turmeric, sweet paprika, cloves, and allspice. They all go into that. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I am also going to add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And now, using gloves, we're just going to massage everything. And we're just going to marinate that for at least half an hour. Oh, it smells, it's already smelling so good. I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil. Okay. So this is for 2 people. When I looked at the recipe, it called for 4 people. So it was made for 4 people. So I've just halved everything. So, because I'm not going to eat this 5 times this week. So yeah, that marinade for half an hour and we'll be back. Now I'm preparing the cabbage. You just want to take a quarter of a cabbage head, and then you want to mandolin shred it into thin slices. And then here I have 1 onion. I'm just going to put it all together. I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I'm just going to, and I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of salt in this. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, and I'm just going to put that in there. And what this does is it softens and breaks down the cabbage. And you're just going to mix it all together and let that sit for some time. So for the green tahini, I have some chopped parsley in here, about 15 to 30 grams depending on how much you want to make. 60 grams of tahini, 2.5 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 chopped garlic. And I'm just gonna blitz this and put it aside. The 30 minutes is up, by the way, so the marinade is now going to go into the oven at 250 or whatever maximum your oven can take. And we're going to put it in there for about, we roast it for 12 minutes, and then we give everything a stir, and then we add the chilies and 3 tablespoons of water, and then we return it back into the oven for 15 minutes so that the cauliflower can get charred. So I just want to clarify that you do need a cast iron, something that has oven proof. So I got this beautiful one. Because when you bring it out, you're going to need to put this on the stove and make something else with it. So I am now going to put this in the oven. The oven is heated up, and I'll be right back. This is the sauce. Oh my God, it's so good. It just reminds me of those shawarma stands where they put the sauce, slap it on the pita bread, and then they put the shawarmas on. This is exactly the same. Oh, it's so good. Just 12 minutes is up. Oh my God, it smells so good. So now we're just gonna add 3 tablespoons of water, and 2 red chilies, and throw it back in for 15 minutes till the cauliflower gets charred. Listen to that sizzle. So I've removed it now. It's in the serving plate. And now we're going to use the same pan. We have 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We have 3 crushed garlic. We have 1/8. It was 1/8 of turmeric and a teaspoon of tomato paste. And we're just gonna mix that in. And now I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm gonna scrape all this goodness from the bottom. And then all this is going to go on top of the cauliflower. So now I just pour this all over. Oh my God, it smells so good. And toss it. Now I'm just going to take some of this mint. So it's 10 leaves. And I'm just going to toss it in there as the salad. And there we have it. Cauliflower, tahini, green tahini, and cabbage with mint and onions. And this is the book. Pretty cool, huh?